Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And today, I'm going to show you these top 5 NFT games that can help you earn up to $100 per day, and maybe even more. It really depends on how many NFTs you have. More on that later as I talk more in depth about all the games. Because there are a lot of people who make a living playing crypto games, I combed the internet for the best paying games. As the title indicates, this is up to $100. So we'll discuss some games that earn less and some games that make much more. So stay until the end, because the last 2 games on the list earn the most money out of the entire list. Keep in mind, however, that everything is dependent on the coin's fluctuation. It all depends on how many NFTs you have and how much money you can make with them, as well as whether you're a free-to-play player, an investor, or a manager. What exactly do you mean when you say manager? Some of the games on the list will offer scholarships, where you can simply buy NFTs and then let other people play with them. So you rent them out and earn 90% of what the NFT makes for the day. Alright, the first game on our list is Crypto Cars. This is what their chart would look like if the game rug was lifted. Why is it included in the list? I understand that this may enrage some individuals, as Crypto Cars used to make roughly $20 per day on a $200 investment. So if you invest $200 and earn $20 per day, you'll get a 10-day return. You get your money back in 10 days and then it's simply profits. That was basically the case until the beginning of January, when their token completely tanked. Is this a rug pull now? No, I don't believe so. In January, everything crashed, especially the crypto games, as individuals were cashing out their gains, NFTs, and investments. And honestly, the major reason I chose this game as number 5 is because their token has surged in value by 100% in only the last day. Everything is fine, so based on the charts, things aren't looking good right now. When we convert it to a logarithmic scale, we can see it a little better than it appears. Since it's now indicated in percentages how much it's increased, as you can see, it jumped a long way from the bottom. And the only reason I've put it here right now is because the price is here, and it's climbed so much in the last day. And I'd like to keep it on our radar, because if the coin rises in value, it'll be a highly profitable game to play. However, based on the earnings report from NFT Gaming, it is not the best investment till then or right now. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know about it and show you the graph. Right now it appears that something could happen, but it could also be nothing. Number 2, the next game is Pigaxi, which is a more sophisticated game. And this game is deserving of its own video, but in the limited time we have, I'll do the best I can to cover it. What is Pigaxi in a nutshell? What exactly is the game? How do you go about playing it? Pigaxi is a horse racing game with a play-to-win PvP format. Players battle for the top 3 spots in a race against 11 other racers, with the top 3 earning money. Within the game, players may breed, sell, and rent NFTs, and this creates a massive infrastructure as well as a fantastic economic system that encourages players to play more, spend more, and so on. So it's very similar to Axie Infinity, and the primary problem with Axie was that in order to make a lot of money, you had to get a lot of others to join the game, making it a pyramid scheme in and of itself, which is a problem with most of these games. You have to spend energy from your racehorse's NFT in order to compete in the races. That implies you only get a certain number of chances to be first, second, or third. So, to give you an idea, at current cost per one NFT, it's roughly $45 every day. Now, if you wish to rent out the NFTs rather than play for yourself, you'll have a 90-10 split with your scholar. So a scholar is someone who hires out the NFTs and wants to play for free, which is perfectly acceptable. The learner with his 10% will earn between $3 and $4 per day, whereas the manager will make between $30 and $36 per day for one NFT, depending on whether you play for yourself or have a scholar play for you. the ROI will be roughly 37 to 45 days. Game number 3. Next is Bomb Crypto. Let's talk about the earnings. In any case, how much does this game make? How much money can you make with Bitcoin? How much money do you need to put in? Let's have a look at it. I recently discovered NFT Gaming, who has a great list of games that he has invested in. So, he has $168 invested right now, and this game is earning him $3 every day, which is the daily average earned at the moment. So given the present prices and all the drops, it's a no-brainer. So in the end, it all depends on the coin's fluctuation and what happens in the market. On the other hand, Bomb Crypto is essentially a play-torn Bomberman game on the Bonnet Smart Chain. Moving on to game number 4, Farmer's World. What is it about crypto and farming games that makes them so popular? Why do farming games generate the greatest revenue? I'm not sure why, but they do, and their economy is so good. Farmer's World is the first farming game to use the Wax NFT platform. Choose the right tools, dig up different resources, buy land to build huge farms, and enjoy the fun of being a farmer in the Farmer's World ecosystem. Is it therefore free to play? Certainly not. You can play and earn in this game, but you must invest in NFTs. But how much money does it bring in right now? According to NFT Gaming, who plays this game on a daily basis, his average daily earnings are $163. He has already put almost $9,000 into the game and has a $17,000 return. That's completely ridiculous. I'm guessing he didn't start with a $9,000 wager. So, you'd need to buy an egg as an NFT, then buy some food, which would cost roughly $15 to turn the egg into a chick. And then you'd need a few $1,000s to transform the chick into a chicken. Well, it all depends on how much all the cryptos cost. But yes, that does sound like a lot. And it is. However, one chicken will lay eggs again, which you may sell for a good price. Other than that, you can do planting and harvesting, or labor with cows, so you have a variety of options for making money. Last but not least, game number 5. Let's take a look at Townstar, which was created by Gala Games. This game does feature a free-to-play option, so I'll start there. Now, how do you make any money with this game? Let's talk about the non-free way, because that's how you generate money. You enter the game, farm, harvest anything from sugar canes to all kinds of different crops, and then sell those things in order to get the 1,000 stars. You will receive the Townstar coin once you've earned 1,000 stars. So it's a farming strategy game in which you need trees to create things, and farmers to collect those trees and then use them to build things. Basically, the idea of the game is that you farm strategically, and you have to think about what you put where and what you want to farm. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.